If you have a MagSafe iPhone and need some power on the go, then you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just bought this. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour portable power bank that clips onto your phone via the MagSafe magnets in the back of the phone. And I thought this was pretty clever because I have used portable power banks in the past, and I just kind of hold them together or just kind of lay them together, sandwich them together, put them in my pocket. I've even used some that have suction cups so they stick onto the back. So the idea here that it's going to clamp on automatically using the magnet gives me a lot of peace of mind that it is not going to fall off, and it might be the portable power that I need. USB to USB-C, little cable here. It's only about a foot long. And then here is the portable power bank. Now I do want to show you that it does come in this selection of colors here, so you can potentially match your iPhone to some degree. And here is the power bank. This one is in baby blue. What has two thumbs and is a giant baby? This guy! So I thought it would just kind of match the blue case that I have on my iPhone. You can see that circle here and that indexing magnet right there. Very MagSafe-ish. It's actually kind of like a velvety plastic. It's not like a soft silicone, but it's like a soft touch. So I think this will just clip onto the phone here. You can see how thick it is. It's, you know, maybe half an inch thick. And it looks like we have a power button right here. And what we get here is a little charge indicator. So you can see here, 67% charged out of the box. USB-C port right there, USB port right there. So we can charge it up from a wall outlet, but we can also power other things, so it doesn't have to be solely via the wireless charging there. Although, my guess is that you could use any of the old iPhones or Qi wireless charging accessories here, maybe even AirPods, maybe your Apple Watch, because this will just hold it in place, the magnets here. But I think it's just kind of regular wireless charging. But it's always really nice to have an accurate picture of how much charge you have there. So let's try it, see if it works. All right, so I have my iPhone 13 Pro Plus with my MagSafe case there, and I have the power bank right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. I'm not going to turn it on yet, and I just want to see if it sticks. Look at that. It indexes itself pretty well. There we go. It's actually flush with the bottom of my phone right there, and I don't have to worry about this coming off. No suction, no cords to get tangled up, right? Now, if I go ahead and hit this power button, so that is on. Just kind of curious. Look at that. Charging. Oh, my phone is kind of dead. So one of the things that I love about this is that you can have this in your pocket on your phone, and you don't have to worry about, you know, a cord being plugged in. If it gets ripped off, it's not going to damage anything, and it just clips on there. So it's really clever, and it's a lot easier than having a big bulky battery case. It's kind of just that piggybacking battery when you need it. So you're on the road a lot, you're worried about running out of juice, maybe you take a lot of photos or videos and you need to have a little extra power and you want something convenient that you can just throw on your latest iPhone. Well, this little MagSafe power bank has 10,000 milliamp hours. It's huge, and it might just give you peace of mind when you're on the road, make your life a little bit better. So I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever.